Good afternoon. This week on Sunday, 28th June 2021, we are again coming with one very innovative and good topic, creative learning. What is creative learning? A process, an innovative idea through which we learn certain difficult things which is very difficult to be learned or remembered easily. Okay, so many times we can't understand and remember properly. There are so many innovative ideas of remembering also and of transferring knowledge and the skill to the transferee or trainee in an effective way. That is creative learning. For example, do you know what is Memorandum of Association? Memorandum of Association is a charter of a company which is to be filled up while registration of the company. Okay, it contains so many important information and that is to be preserved. So do you remember? For that you will be reading the book, but I am telling you, remember only no class, very good thing for these children. No class, N for name, O for objective, C for capital, L for liability, A for association clause, S for state in which company is situated, S for state in which company may be shifted. Simple, easy. You remember no class and all the things should be put down. But some certain important things related to these clauses, we will have to study separately. Just for example, name should be such which doesn't resemble with the other company name to be a confusing matter for the supplier and worker or the goodwill earner and goodwill utilizer. Likewise, that objective clause must contain all the objective for which companies have been situated, companies have been incorporated. We must not go against the object clause. Capital must be limited or unlimited. This authorized, paid up, issued, like this, and liability limited or unlimited. So in this way, association clause we A, B, C, D, F have associated ourselves to form and abide by the Companies Rule, Companies Act. Okay, this is one declaration clause. So in this way we used to remember difficult things and vast things in an easy way. Okay. Acha, okay. So creativity, we used to create one such atmosphere where you will automatically learn. Try to make definition, and when you compare with the definitions of eminent speakers and eminent writers, you will find that so many observations observed by you and noted by you are common to your definition and those author's definition also. So you will be getting motivation so that you will come to know that okay, we can also make definitions like decision making. Decision making is a process of 6 stages. Firstly, identify your problem, note down the problem, make analytical study of all alternative solutions available to solve those problems, and note down the advantage, disadvantage of each alternative solutions available, and pick up the one best solution available to solve your problem with decision making. In this way, systematically, if we think and if we dream and if we write whatever you have imagined, so that becomes your creativity learning. Imagination, whatever you are imagining, whatever your imagination are there, so you convert them into the real life. So a creative man is a daydreamer. He is a daydreamer. People say that that is time consuming, but you write down whatever dream you want to fulfill. Note down and try to fulfill them. And creative person's observations are very good. Observe clearly and note down observations. Okay, that becomes theory. New experience or observation, and so many people were observing since long that apple are going down. But one particular person, he discovered this law of gravitation. He made experiment on that. He spent some time and prepared, and after his death, we remember his name up till now. They are very curious. Creative man, creative learning people or creative learning trainees are very curious. They want to know something immediately. They want, what is this? Why this? What is this? This should be there. They are risk taking also. They don't bother that how much time is killed for discovery, but they used to invent something new. And they are motivated internally. Okay, they don't compare themselves with the others. Forget other people. I'm doing this, and just like we have started webinar that is very successful. Okay, and they used to think differently. One Shiv Khera has written that successful people, winners are not different, but they act differently. They used to think differently, they used to act differently. Okay, they are not under any pressure. They used to live in the positive atmosphere. Whatever negativity in their circumstances, they don't bother about that, and they live in the positive atmosphere. And in this way, creativity comes in their mind, and they learn every day. And whatever they learn, they want to transfer to you people. And these learned people, among those learned people, know one Dr. Vijay Prakash, eminent IAS officer, president of this Trainers and Mentors Association, will be speaking, who has written very nice book on creative learning. And chief speaker is also Dr. UN Bora from Assam cadre. He is IAS. He is so many award winner from UNO and other places also. He is master trainer of so many things of Department of Personnel and Training. As usual, Trainers and Mentor Association has come forward to equip you with the knowledge of creative learning. So take active participation. There is no fee for any participation. You can participate, you can learn, you write and apply in the practical field. It will be very beneficial to you. Time is Sunday, 20th June 2021 from 5 to 6:30. You can ask your question also from eminent speakers. Thank you. God bless you. Good luck.